Why everyone's jumping on a side hustle. Have you noticed that almost everyone seems to have a side hustle these days? Your coworker is selling digital products. Your friend is making money on TikTok. Someone you know just started an online store. So what's going on? Why are so many people looking for extra income, even when they already have a full-time job? In this video, I'll explain why side hustles have become so popular and why this trend isn't slowing down anytime soon. But stick around until the end because I'll also share the biggest mistake people make when starting one. The first reason is simple. Life is getting more expensive. Rent, groceries, bills, fuel, and everyday expenses seem to keep increasing. Many people are realizing that relying on just one paycheck can feel risky. A side hustle gives them another source of income and more financial security. The second reason is technology. Years ago, starting a business usually required a lot of money. Today, all you need is a phone, internet connection, and a skill you're willing to learn. People are making money through content creation, freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing, online coaching, and many other opportunities. The barriers to entry have never been lower. The third reason is freedom. Most people don't necessarily hate their jobs. What they want is more control over their time and their future. A side hustle can create options. Maybe it pays for vacations. Maybe it helps pay off debt. Maybe it eventually becomes a full-time business. For many people, it's not just about earning more money. It's about having choices. And here's something interesting. The people succeeding with side hustles aren't always the smartest or most talented. They're usually the ones who stay consistent. They show up every day. They learn new skills. They improve little by little. That's what separates those who quit from those who eventually see results. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistake. Many people spend weeks or months looking for the perfect side hustle. They watch endless videos. They do research every day. They wait for the perfect opportunity, but they never actually start. The truth is, you don't need the perfect plan. You need action. Most successful side hustlers figured things out as they went. They started small, made mistakes, learned, and kept moving forward. So, why is everyone jumping on a side hustle? Because people want more income, more security, and more freedom. And thanks to the internet, there are more opportunities than ever before. The question isn't whether side hustles are growing. The question is, will you be one of the people who takes advantage of the opportunity? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content about online income, digital business, and building a better future for yourself. And in the comments, tell me this. If you started a side hustle today, what would it be? I'd love to hear your answer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.